bottle rocket launcher.
Okay. What exactly is it? So there's a white thing, and a pumper, and a things, and a thingy. Woo! You need a water bottle with some water in it. Not all the way up like this, but not even halfway. Not even near halfway. I'm gonna put it on now. It's really cool. It gets really hot. Oopsies. It makes it easier to go all the way down too. It does. You haven't seen it yet. Stand on this. You can do it with like that pump right there. I got sprayed with water! I know, you don't have that one. So you can use any size bottle, really. I mean, you can use one
It
of
has to have this kind of top.
Yeah. It has
Not that top. That top's too big. It won't fit. So it has to be like a water bottle.
A can won't work. That kind won't work. This be one of those
2-liter bottles will work. 1-liter bottles will work. Just not Gatorade bottles because they're about too big. Whoop, Dana, there you go. Okay, it's up. Here,
I'll be recording for him.
If you just kind of squeeze it, we'll handle this a little bit.
Yeah, it's really easier.
Alright.
My brother wearing his G-Force colors. And I will be posting neat snacks from G-Force Connectors. Except his socks are not at all anything at all G-Force. I don't understand that.
Ready?
No, I don't want to come over here. It's a big bottle. I'm going to go back in the shade. It's easier. Bottles are easier.
Oh, it's time to go.
Do one more.
One more.
One more.
Pumping.
Sorry, I just got
One more. It's move, but it's not. Keep going. Keep going.
Yeesh! Oh my gosh, I just saw a chipmunk.
Wow, we were talking about 50 tons of spray.
This is what you call epic. Okay, so will someone fill a small bottle up for me? I want to try.
So we can also try different amounts of water.
Yeah. Oh my gosh, I have an idea.
Where's the other one?
So,
The one behind you.
oh, I have an idea. So if we take this and we fill it up to the line, right?
Fill it up.
Yeah, like all the way to the top of the
I don't
paper.
think that's going to work. It's not going to work as well, but let's try.
Let's see if it even does work. So we're experimenting on some of the water bottle rockets. I think that's what I'm going to call the video. Experimenting on some of the water bottle rockets. I want to try that. See how it works. I'm going to stand over here. That's alright. And it tells you how much pressure it is too.
25, and didn't go very far.
So yeah, we might. Hey, you could use that water for the next one. Oh, okay.
There's only as much as we usually use.
Now try it halfway.
Alright, we'll try halfway now.
And then we'll try that with the big bottle. Is it halfway? Yeah, that's about halfway. There, yeah. Let's go over to our experimenting place and you can see there's water all around it because I was just like, you're doing this and I'm just like, okay, let's make a video about this. It'll be fun and my viewers, I'll get more viewers, yay! But, okay. So my brother's really the pumper.
Alright, pump. 5, 3.
Oh, that one's just... Hey, can we try it without water? Let's try it without water. So you saw you guys saw the normal. You guys saw the almost to the top. Guys saw halfway, and now you guys are gonna see no water whatever at all.
Yep, that's it. You're good. All right. So that ended up being about 30-some pounds of pressure.
Okay.
Make it wash.
This looks like it's gonna be pretty
Almost
easy.
25.
It doesn't look like it's moving at all. Wait.
Keep going. You're 25.
Oh, I almost smashed my toe. I zoomed it in so I could see it moving.
Fun little thing. Watch.
I don't think it's all that.
See the steam?
Here, bring it over to the thing.
It made fog. And it's all gone. But the water that was in there got pressurized. And then when the pressure released, it created a cloud.
I'm seeing what my brother did.
Compression, decompression.
You guys see my beam? Yeah, there's a trash can there. Well, trash bag. Yeah, my hair's. Look at my hair today. That girl's wearing a lot of pink. Look at me.
That's the third full.
Oh my god, Dayton. You have to watch this video. It's gonna be so funny. I zoomed in. Ah! Whoa!
About 35 pounds.
What was that?
It's about a third full.
Oh, third.
Oh, we're steaming again.
Let me see. Come here. Come here. Here, let me zoom out. It still can't see it.
Fog? Now it's making fog, even if you can't see it.
Makes me feel it. Okay, I'm trying to do my awesome thing. Here,
Try the big bottle about half.
can we try this bottle? Ouch.
Looks like it, yeah.
Yeah, we might try that bottle. We found it outside, so.
Which one of you guys is water bottle?
So yeah. Wait, hold on. Let me get over there so I can get it in the camera. Dayton, here, move. I want to get it in the camera. It's one of those salt. How much water is it?
But it's under a half full.
It's not moving.
Last time this one took about 45 to 50 pounds of pressure.
What's it at right now?
Just above 25.
Not moving.
Yeah. Oh, there it goes. Trying to go. Pump, 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 pump. Pump, pump. And
It's going.
whoa. And land way over there.
I'm gonna go grab flip-flops real quick. I'm gonna go grab shoes so it's not like burning on my feet. I'll be right back. It hurts. So I'm just inside grabbing shoes. I mean, not freezing. Burning. The opposite freezing. My shoes are over here. See? Oh, it's not focused. Focus. There we go. Fine. Okay, then you're just not gonna be in my YouTube video. So after we do that, the rest of that bottle and the rest in that blue bottle right there, you see? Move. Yeah, that bottle right there. Dan, pick it up. Pick the blue bottle up. That bottle. Put it down. We're gonna end the video there. Put it down. So yeah. We'll sit down in a chair. Let's see if I can get it. Oh, this is a nice spot to get it from. Oh, but it's not comfortable. Look out! Makes me feel like a dangerous woman. I love that song. Dangerous woman. I don't like it, but it's stuck in my head. I'm in a rocking chair. I'm not going like.
Alright. Try all the small one.
Yeah, a little bit.
Put it on. Pump.
My doggy. That's my doggy. Wait, what? Oh my god, that looks weird. How much water is it? It doesn't go that high, but it goes high. Where is it? There it is. Did you see that, guys? I'm pressing the zoom button, so it's like really zoom. See? Daddy, I accidentally got a butt shot of you. Yeah, I got a butt shot. Ah! That leaf is wet!
Oh, sorry.
My car. So have we tried all the bottles yet? So, oh wait. So guys, I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, please like. I didn't get that on camera, and that was a good one. Whoa. That's my cut. Wow. Okay, so like, subscribe, comment, do anything to support my channel. Yeah, please. Hey, Daddy, have you subscribed to my channel yet? On your phone and your computer yet? No. So you need to do that! Please. Well, I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, please go. I already told you. Comment, like, rate. No, like and rate the same thing. Comment, no. Comment, like, subscribe. Forgot about that word. And watch my channel every day, because I might, actually, this will only be my 4th video. But anyways, bye. I've been talking too much. Bye.